Raraketahin na natin ang mga kalapati natin, guys. Just a quick vlog, okay? So, yun. Panguli tayo, training natin. Kung matatry natin mamayang hapong mag-training ulit, tatry natin ulit sila. Okay? So, see you guys later. Bye! Good morning everyone, welcome back to the grind again. So the last couple of days been raining here in New Jersey, so hindi tayo nakapag-training. Pag uminto ulan, nag-low fly lang tayo, but today maganda ang panahon, so manghuhuli tayo ng kalapate, babasket na natin sila, and then iti-train natin. So anyway, let me show you guys what it looks like in the morning here bago tayo mag-training. So ayan, yung mga kalapate tumatae, syempre, you know, the whole night nag-ano lang sila, nagpupuk lang sila. So ayan ang mga tachi nila, oh, bilog na bilog. Ayan, yun ang mga dapat na tinitingnan nyo sa kalapate. So ayan, mga huli na ulit tayo, raraketahin na natin ang mga kalapate natin, guys. Just a quick vlog, okay? So yun, panghuli tayo, training natin. Kung matatry natin mamayang hapong mag-training ulit, tatry natin ulit sila. Okay, so see you guys later, bye! Guys, ayun. Come on, let's go. Ayan, babasket na natin yung mga kalapate natin. Come on, let's go. Ayan, hindi tayo mag-basket para mabilisan lang. Ayan, oh. Come on. Come on, let's go. Makapasaway pa din. But, ayan. Oh, see, tapos. Oh. Come on. You know, tapos. Okay, so guys, ready tayo mga guys. Open na ulit natin ang kanilang mga trap. Naglagay na rin tayo na inumin nila para pagdating hindi sila mauuhaw, electrolytes, and then nakabasket na sila. Dalawang basket lang. We don't need we don't need the third one in there. So okay, so we also have the clock ready. We're gonna activate it for training and then start. Ayan, start training. Let's see. Yeah, we got 115 birds in there, but not really. Those are probably old pigeons. Okay, and then naka-ready na rin ang kanilang kulungan. Mayroon na silang mga pang-entice. Nalinis na rin natin. Scrape na natin ang ating loft ngayong umaga. Ayan. Okay, yan. Naglagay na rin tayo ng mga konting seeds in there, in their boxes. Ayan. Daily routine natin to for till the season ends, okay? Ayun. Malakas na siya. Si Buster or Busted. Ayan. Okay. So, punta na tayo sa release point. Another 10 miles. So, welcome back. Alright, so we're gonna train the birds too. We're gonna change them a little bit today, or the rest of the season. So we're gonna sorry, it's too loud. A lot of cars passing by, but it's clear now. But anyway, we're gonna change their their training routine. It's gonna be the same spot, but this time we're only gonna release like 2 or 3 at a time. Like that, trying to teach them how to break and all that stuff. So hopefully they learn. Once they're out of my sight, I'm gonna release more birds, 2 or 3 at a time, or 4. It depends on how many birds I can let out. So those 2 birds are still routing, so I can't really release the other birds like this. Yan, di ba? So we gotta try. Yun. Still routing, so I'm waiting for them to, you know, get the heck out of here. Then I will release the rest of the birds. Okay, be right back. Tatlo. Oh, tatlo. Ayun, tatlo. Ayun. Sumibad na sumibad. Ayan. Yung nauna natin, takes them 3 minutes before they disappear. So yung tatlo na yon, nauna na, tain-tae. Ayun, right there. So, they're gone. Oh, not yet. Mikot ng konti. Bumalik. Umalis. Parang si X di na nagpakita. Ayun. Okay. Yan, sumibad na yung tatlo. So, let's wait for... Okay. Kuya. Let's get them out of the way. Up. Sapa. Ayun. Come on, ayun. Tatlo ulit. Ayan. Tatlo at a time. Or 3 at a time, guys. 3 or 4, whatever. Basta kailangan break na sila. Yung konti-konti na lang ang release. One of the reasons to na ginawa ko to is because I noticed kaya tumama sa wire si Busted, I think I'm releasing them in bundle, so napakadami nila, and then when they fly fast and when they start to fly fast, they fly very low too. So kung marami sila na lumilipad na nauuna at then yung iba nakailag, pagdating sa dulo hindi na nakakailag yung mga sumasabi. So katulad ni Busted, yun ang nangyari sa kanya, I think. So okay, so yun, release ulit natin. Tatlo. Naging apat. Okay lang yan. Diretso agad sila. The red zone. Yan, gusto ko ganyan, diretso agad sila. Ayun. Alam na nila ang pauwi. Kabisado na nito itong spot natin. 10 mile lang po ito. Walang halong biro, walang bullshit. Okay, so ayan, meron pa dito. Release na rin natin. Huwag muna, maghintay tayo. Nakikita ko pa yung apat, umikot pa sila dun sa malayo. Kung maloloko nila. Ayan, sige. Balik tayo. Tatlo, lipad. Okay. May alit. Yun, next batch ulit. Out. Tatlo. Oh, tatlo lang. Apat. Sige, apat. Ayun, apat. Pambihira. Yun, sibat na ulit. Bilis. Sibat na kaagad eh. Okay. Next batch. Tatlo lang. Diretso. Short lang. Puro short na lang. Tinutuwa na po natin silang sumibat ng mabilis. Okay? Sarili. Yun. Solo flight yung nila. Para yung mga single natin. Tatlo ulit. Ayun. Sige, tatlo. Isa pa. Yun. Diyan ka na. Ayun. Tatlo. Balik, ayun, bumalik. So hopefully dumiretso na. Come on, formation. There. Okay. Last na po natin to. Sino ba itong number ko sa ilalim? Sino yata ito? Si Bogart yata ito. Oo nga, si Bogart nga po. Ito po yung na yung mga kumag na iba. Ayun, come on, let's go. Ayun, si Bogart talaga yun.